Here, let's go for the fourth question here. A two-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetitions. Okay, please you have to see this condition. What is the probability that number formed is an odd number or multiples of 5 here? Okay, let's see to this condition later. First we will write it the sample space here. So what is the condition given? Yeah, what is the experiment gone here? The two-digit number is to be formed. Okay, so we are writing an experiment here. Two-digit number to be formed. Okay, once you have written the experiment here, we will now write what, my dear? S is the sample space. Once we have written the sample space, can we write the S here? Yes. So, I have already taught you, but still I'll repeat again what all the numbers we will pick it up and write it at the end. We are going to form 2, 3, 23, 25, 27, 29. So, first we will write 23, 25, 27 and 29. We have completed with all the 2. Let's similarly for the 3 also. 32, 35, 37, 39. Okay, 32, 35, 37, 39. Similarly, now for the 5 here. Yes, 52, 53, 57, 59. 52, 53, 57 and 59. Similarly, go for the 7 also like that. 72, 73, 75, 79. 72, 73, 75 and 79. Similarly 9, 92, 93, 95 and 97. If you see, let's count it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, okay, 18, 20. Okay, so we got the sample space n of s, that is the number of sample points is how much? How many? 20 are there, right? So we are going to write the event here. So let's write it. Let A be the event. You can name it any letter here. A be the event that the number formed is an odd number. जो number form हो रहा है odd number है. तो you know what is the condition for the odd number? In the units place for the odd number it should be what and what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. वैसे these are the numbers there in the units place. We can say what? It is an odd number. So 20. We will pick up and write it. 23, 25, 27, 29, 32 is an even number, so no, 35, 37, 39, 53, this is also an even number, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, even number है 92, 93, 95, 97. If you observe properly, how many we have omitted here? We have taken it what 4 numbers we have left it, if I am not wrong. Okay, 1, 4 number छोड़ दिया है, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There was a total 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. You can count it also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes. So we didn't miss anything. You can cross check it like that also. Now let's go for the probability of A. That is n of A upon n of S. So n of A is what, my dear? Here we just now got it 16 upon 20. So you know the 4 table. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are. So we got 4 upon 5 as a what? P of A. Let's go for the P of P. Similarly for the multiple of 5. When it is said multiple of 5, that means 5 or a 0 should be there in the units place. So see here, units place में 5 है, 25, we can take it. Okay, then where else? 35, yes. Then 55, no, 73, 75. And finally, the last one is 95. So all the 5s, even if there is zeros, we should have taken, but there is no 0 in the units place. So we got how many? N of B as a what, my dear? It is, there are 4. Okay, N of B is 4. So we finally write it, P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. So that is 4 upon 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are. So we got 1 upon 5 here. See my dear, wherever our answers got, it will be between 0 to 1 or from 0 to 1. Something between that it lies. See here, if you want to put it into the form of a 4 upon 5, if you want to put it in the fraction form, if in the decimal form, what you will get 0.8. देखो 1 के अंदर ही है. 1/5 को आप डालोगे तो 0.2 है. तो always our probability answer will lies between or from 0 to 1, something between that. With that, we can cross check it whether our answer is right or wrong. Let's go for the fifth question. A card drawn at random. Okay, one card is being drawn random from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. यानी एक playing cards का जिसमें well shuffled means it's been not in a proper order. Okay, then find the probability that the card drawn is an ace or a spade. Okay dear, let's see the question. So whenever the pack card sum comes, so what you have to do, how we have to write it in the beginning, that's more important, because I have seen many times the students are making mistake in writing this answers in the beginning. Yes, so how we will begin, that is, it is an experiment. So card drawn from a pack of playing cards. Okay, so now we will write how many cards are there in a pack. We will write it always in the card sum. We will write it there are 52 cards in a pack. Okay, you will write it like this, 52 cards in a pack, and S is the sample space. Okay, then we will directly write it here. S is the sample space here, and we are going to write it directly. N of S is 52. Here you need not describe it S equals to 2, 3, 4, J, Q, K, nothing you need to. If you write this is sufficient here, and S is the sample space, and you can write it N of S is 52 here. Okay, this is the way you have to begin for all the card sum here. Then we will go for the events here. So we have told about what is the probability for the card drawn and an ace. Okay, firstly you should understand what is an ace card. Ace cards means where on the card you can see a A. Okay, A. So such like that we are having 4 ace cards in a pack. Is it or not? So we have 4 varieties. Spade we have, heart, diamond and club we have. Okay, 4 type of cards are there. In each card variety we have a one ace card. So how many ace cards we are having? Ace cards means A cards. So we are having 4 cards. So we will write it again here. There are 4 ace cards in a pack. 4 ace cards in a pack. Okay, then what you know how to write it? N of A is equals to 4. We can't list it out the A here. So we are writing it like this. We need to write it in the statement here. Okay dear. So once we have written N of A is 4, can we find a P of A? P of A equals to N of A upon N of S. So here A is 4, N of A is 4 and N of S is 52. So we are writing it like this. So 4, okay, how many times it will come? 4 13s are, 4 1s are and 4 3s are 12. So you got 1 upon 13. Please write it the 1 upon 13 here only. Sometimes I have seen again 13 you are writing in the numerator. That's completely wrong then. So answer is 1 upon 13. Let's go for the B event, the last one. Yes, let's go for the other event. Let B be the event that the card drawn is a spade. As you all know, there are 4 varieties of cards here. Spade, heart, diamond and club. So in this then each variety has a 13 cards. So we are writing directly, they simply said spade. So there are how many cards in a spade? 13. There are 13 spade cards. Okay. So 13 spade cards are there. So we can write it N of B is 13 directly. Okay, N of B is 13 we have written. Once we have written, we can write it P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. So N of B is what my dear? 13 upon 52. Written 13 how many times 52? 4s are. So you got what? 1 upon 4. Are you all clear with this one?